Couple reunions that happened. This one overnight on the Entertainment Weekly cover, My Best Friend's Wedding.
I love that movie.
How can you not?
Oh my God.
Someone tweeted us at ATL & Co. and said it's a low-key musical because it really is. The great songs throughout.
There he goes. Singing this. I love it.
So yes, this gorgeous cast. It's been over 20 years since that premiered in theaters. I know.
Wait. Are they doing like a
They're not. This is one of those reunions issues that EW does each and every year. Kimberly wrote on our Facebook page one of my all-time favorite movies.
Me too, Kimberly. Oh, I just got so excited. Thought there was a sequel.
Yes, always. But I love when they get them together decades later and they look like just as glowing and gorgeous.
Amazing.
Now, typically, if you watch the segment for a year, I would, of course, pitch to a clip of that because it shaped me. But I'm actually going to do a little theme song from our next reunion. Let's take a look.
Oh, baby, how you lie? All I need is my brother. I say I'm gonna get high.
Yes. 100%. That show ahead of its time.
Definitely.
I mean, it was groundbreaking.
Yeah. So it premiered over 30 years ago with this little cute cast behind me. Of course, we know highlighting the 60s in that transition, but premiered in '88.
Yes.
And Fred Savage and Ardonica McKellar, the little sweet Winnie, they went to lunch together. There's our little trio. The best friend Paul. Yes, they tweeted out a little lunch reunion.
Oh,
there they are.
My God, look at that.
How cute does Fred Savage still look?
Okay,
I mean,
incredible.
What?
And by the way, I've interviewed her on Atlanta & Company. She has written all these books encouraging girls. She's amazing at math.
Yes.
So, and encouraging math, science, STEM. Yes.
She is such a smarty and looks incredible. But you're right. Oh my God, all the degrees that she has.
I know.
And power trio. Thanks, CP.
Okay, love you. Oh, I wanted more. All right, that was our show for today. You'll get more right back here tomorrow. Have a wonderful Thursday. Bye, guys.